value I see Lumen bring in the industry is a game changer.
I use it to become a better athlete.
Now, if you're like me, you always want to know what's the right fuel before a workout. Now, that's where Lumen can help.
Lumen is a breathing device where I inhale, exhale.
That tells me whether I'm burning fats or carbs.
The Lumen will tell me just at what stage my body's at and what fuel source I'm burning.
One measurement before you actually train, it can tell you if you need that extra carb boost for the workout. Then, once you've completed it, you can actually do a post-workout breath, and then the CO2 levels can tell you whether you've efficiently changed over to fat burning.
Until now, we haven't had this ability to have a data point for metabolism.
If you're an athlete that wants to know where your body truly is functioning best, having a tool like the Lumen gives you the opportunity to then calculate and figure out what meals you need to be having or need to be subtracting and adding in order to reach peak performance.
So it's been extremely useful and a great tool for me to use ahead of this year's Tour de France.
Now I have something that honestly tells me, here's what you're doing. Is it more important to you to recover so that you can do amazing things tomorrow?